Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great week for so far. Today we have made it to day number 15 in the My Lead Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. Making this challenge for you guys, show you how to send out an email in the system, and how you can start earning income, extra income with Clickbank. Okay. So, like I said, today we're on day number 15. We're halfway through the month challenge. Okay, being at 15 and going to all the way to 30. Okay, but just wanted to show you guys the results on how we did yesterday. Not going to take too much of your time, guys, and just going to show you how to send out an email in the system. All right. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is a email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every day when you come to the system, you're going to accumulate 100 to 200 leads. And what separates the 100 to 200 is how many accounts that you have. And the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to stack those accounts on top of each other. Okay, so you can get as many as you like. Okay, I would recommend you guys at least starting out between 2 to 5 accounts. If you can pay for it. Now, there is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. All right. Now, I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've been using them for quite some time. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work and it does convert. Okay. For this challenge, if you guys are kind of new to these videos, go back to day number one in this challenge, and kind of get up to speed on, our traffic and how we're doing and, how much money that we're making. Okay. Now, if you want to go back to the beginning of this channel, you can kind of see we were promoting different offers from ClickBank. Okay. And I was promoting multiple offers to show you guys that more than one offer does work. Okay. But for this new challenge that I'm making, okay, that we're just going to focus on one offer and we're going to do that for the whole year. And we're going to see how far we can take it and see if we can earn a full time income with it. All right. So, today we're on, like I said, number 15. We're going to send out day number 15's email today, guys, in the My Legion secret system. If you guys want to get started below, okay, there is a link that I did leave below this video. And say, for instance, if you're on the video, all you would need to do is come down here and go ahead and click on more. Okay. And then where it says join My Legion secret, you want to go ahead and click on that link. Okay. And go ahead and join today. Okay. Now, My Legion Secret System, once you get started, your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. Only thing's different is going to be the emails that you guys are sending out. Okay. But what I did is went ahead and sent out an email today for you. Just kind of get ahead and just kind of show you guys what things will look like if you started to get started. All right. Now, I'm just going to go across this tab real quick. You're going to see my leads, which shows you the leads that are coming in. Today's the 25th of April, and I did get 200 leads today. The master email swipes, they're going to offer you these email swipes. Okay. It's just an extra $30 if you want to grab these swipes. Now, for this challenge, we're going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor. So you guys don't really have to go in here and buy these. Okay. This is the mailing system. Everything else, this is where you're going to be hanging out at in the mailing system. So you're going to want to click there. Okay. Now, when you come down here, you're going to see your emails that are loaded up. Right now, I got over 200,000 emails. Okay. Now, you may not have that much starting out, but if you stick with it, you'll definitely eventually get there. Okay. But whatever emails that you have, you want to go ahead and click on that. Okay. Whether that be 100, 200, 1,000, few thousand, or whatever. Click on those emails. It's going to load in the portal. Okay, when it loads here to the portal, once we send out one email, okay, once we send out the email, it's going to go to all of these visitors right here. So remember, you got to select this in order for this to transfer over here in order for you to send out an email, all right? So the same thing like with any email, like Gmail, Microsoft, whatever, there's going to be a subject line, okay, and there's going to be a body, all right? Same thing, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to grab the email from the vendor. So we're going to go ahead and hop on over here to ClickBank. All right, guys, and ClickBank is free to get started. If you guys wanted to get started, it's free. So it's a network marketing platform that promotes different offers for affiliate marketers. Okay, so This is basically made for our community, so we can go out and promote different offers from Clickbank. You're going to come over here to the marketplace, guys, and we're going to go to one group that we're going to be one niche that we're going to be promoting to is going to be this e-business e-marketing. So we're going to click there, okay? And the offer that we are promoting is live chat jobs, all right, which is going to be this top offer here on Clickbank, okay, in the make money online niche. What you would want to do is go to affiliate page. From your affiliate page, you want to go to where it says email swipes. So you click on the email swipes and you want to come down here and look, these are all the emails that we're sending out, okay, that you would just send out to your list. And then once you're finished with these emails, you just want to start back at number one. Now, also, too, if you sign up right here, let's see, if you go to here, register here, okay, what they'll do is they'll go ahead and send you more email swipes, okay, that you can use that nobody else has, okay. But for just short video purposes, we're just going to recycle these same emails over and over and over again, okay. And then also too, you guys can go to Chat GPT, and you can create another set of emails as well that are custom made, okay, that you can just ask Chat GPT to create you an email like this one, all right, which is pretty cool, guys, all right, and I'll show you how to do that later. But for right now, for the next couple of weeks, we're just going to keep reusing these emails, and then eventually I'll show you guys how to create more emails, all right? So today we're on day number 15. So let's go ahead and grab day number 15's email, okay? So we'll just grab the subject line here, Control C, and then we're going to come back here to the mailing system, Control V. Okay, well, what if you could make a living from talking, right? So that's our subject line. And you want to come down here, click on perfect timing. And then you want to come back over here to the offer, and you want to grab this body, and you want to grab all of that and grab it, Control C. And after under every email, there's going to be a link that's dedicated to this email. Okay, so it converts. So this link talks about this email right here, which is really good. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here, and we want to Control V, copy that, and you want to take out the signature where it says signature. You want to put in your name or management, whichever one. All right, and then where it says name, hey name, you want to go ahead and grab the embedded code right here. Here are the embedded codes. Okay, so whatever you put in the body, it's going to transfer to whatever these letters are. Okay, or this word is. So it says full name. So we don't want to address our prospect by their full name. We want to just address them by their first name, right? Or not, we're not their last name, right? You want to address them by their full name. So you want to Control C, and we just want to copy that, and we want to come back here where it says name. We want to take that out, and we want to put the code in. Okay, so it says, hey, first name. So we're going to be saying like, hey, Jermaine, hey, John, hey, whatever, right? And then what you want to do is where it has the bold text. Remember, I don't know if you follow from the last video, where it has the bold text, you want to go ahead and click on the link, and we want to make this a clickable link. Okay, so you want to come back over here, and we're going to grab this hop link, right? Okay, let's go ahead and grab it, Control C. We're going to come back here and Control V. Very easy to do. Last thing, we're going to have to change where it says your Clickbank ID. You want to put in the ID that you came up with. Excuse me. So whatever that is, whatever you came up with the name for yourself, you want to put it in right there. Okay. Don't put in my name. Okay. Put in your name. Okay. And your affiliate ID that you came up with Clickbank. Okay. And click on OK. What that does is turns into a clickable link. All right. So when our email goes out, and you want to change that size to either 16 or 18, whichever one you like. And whenever our link goes out, check out this email. Everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good. So when this email goes out to our prospect, they're going to see this complete your application now. It's a clickable link. They're going to click on that link. Okay. And then once they click on that link, it's going to take them to your affiliate page, which I'm going to open up another browser and show you what that looks like. Okay. All right. So whenever they open up the browser, it's going to look like this. Okay. Let's just go and continue. All right, and it's going to look like that, right? Get paid to talk online, excellent rate. So it's going to give our prospect the job description, and then they'll be able to sign up and start making money. Okay. So, all right. So if we go back here to the mailing system, and then what you want to do is you're going to want to click on preview. Okay. And you want to make sure that link works. And you want to make sure that it goes to your specific affiliate page. Okay. It's very important before you send it out. You don't want to send it out without checking it first, because if you do send out, if something spelled, misspelled, you left out a letter, or you just forgot to put it in there, you're not going to get the results from that affiliate link. Okay. It's going to go, the commission, if somebody decides to buy, it's going to go right to Clickbank, and you're going to miss out on that commission. All right. So just want to make sure you guys do that. Just proofread everything. Click on preview to preview it, and then send it out after you proofread it. Okay. After you do that, just click on send. There's going to be a red send button. You just click on send, and it's going to send out to all those people that you have calculated in the My Lead Gen secret system. Very easy to do, guys. If you guys can copy and paste, you can do this method, guys. It's not rocket science, guys. It's very easy to do. And if you guys are looking for extra income, maybe that be for gas, or a light bill, electric bill, maybe car payment, mortgage, or rent, right? So, if you're looking for some extra money like that, okay, this is not something that you're just going to get rich at, but this is definitely some extra income that a lot of people could use. So, and also, if you do this full time, and if you put the work into it and you have multiple accounts, I would say maybe anywhere from 5 to 10. If you take this thing seriously and you send out emails every day and you stick with it long enough, you can earn a full time income. Okay, so I've seen people were earn anywhere from 3 to 5 thousand with this thing. Okay, to really maximize this, but you have to put your all into it, and you got to do it full time. That's the only way it's going to work, guys. Okay, but I don't want to guarantee that you're going to make a dime, because I don't know if you're going to go out and follow what I'm doing. Okay, I got multiple accounts. I've been doing this for a while. I do this full time. I do it every day, guys. I don't miss a beat. Okay? I don't miss days. All right. So if you're somebody like that, if you're somebody that's, organized, you want to see yourself earning income, and you're willing to put in the work no matter what it takes. Okay. Now, I can't say that some of these emails, some of these accounts, it's going to take you longer to get started. It just depends on your work ethic, but some people, you may not see your first sale to maybe a few days, maybe a week, maybe a few weeks, maybe a month, right? Maybe a few months. It just depends, right, on your work ethic. But if you are willing to put in the work, like for myself, it took me a little bit longer to start seeing sales. Okay. And that could be is because my accounts, all these accounts, they're not created equally. Okay. So there may be some accounts that are better than others, right? So for me, it took me a little bit longer to start seeing results. Okay. But it may not take you that long, right? But once I started to see results, okay, and what kept me motivated was just knowing that there's other people out there that I admire, right? That I know that, I mean, it's just awesome that these guys are rocking it out and making money with this thing. If they can do it, then I can do it. Okay. That's what kept me motivated and kept me sending emails, is because watching these guys do it, at a higher level, guys that are doing it at a higher level than I am, and watching them do it, to eventually I got through that rough patch. Okay. And then I started to see, the light at the end of the tunnel, so to speak. Okay, so I just stuck with it. I kept sending out emails every day. I didn't care. I got to a point where I didn't care if I was making, if I was going to get a sale or not, because I knew the end result. If I stuck with it, okay, I would start seeing sales if I just kept sending emails every day. And that's what ended up happening, guys. That's how I was able to break through, is because I stuck with it even at a tough time where I didn't see any results coming from it. Right. So you just got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in the system. It's just one of those type of things, guys. If you want to see results in it, and just like with anything you do in life, you gotta, if you don't see something right off the bat, doesn't mean you give up, and then you start doing something else. Okay, you stick with one thing, you master that one thing, and then you start moving to other income streams. All right. But I'm going to get off the soapbox. Okay. I'm just going to move on to something else. Let's go ahead and check out the results from yesterday. We did send out an email yesterday. Let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Today is April the 23rd. I did get it, April the 24th. I did get started a little bit later than I wanted to. But today's the 24th. Today we got over 1,000 hops, guys. We got 757 unique hops, okay, which are brand new IP addresses. We got 2 order from impressions, people that came to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they didn't buy. No biggie. We didn't get any sales today. And we didn't get any gross earnings. Okay. So today is just one of those days. Our list is still new. They're still trying to figure us out. And like I said, sometimes this thing can take, weeks to get started, to get everything in motion to where sales are coming in every day or every other day. But right now it's just a early stage in this process, and it's going to take us grinding it out and sending out emails no matter what the results look like until we start seeing the results that we want. All right. So I'm just going to leave that video on that note. Just wanted to come in and show you the results. Unfortunately, we didn't make anything today. But the good thing is that I did do some work on these other days that when we first started this challenge, and now we at least have $80 coming in residual every month, right? Just coming in, and we've just only been. This is the 15th day, okay, and we have a residual $80 coming in every month. Right. So we're looking for new sales. We're looking for our next sale that's going to take us to that $100 monthly residual income. All right. And then we're just going to keep building and building and building on that. I want you guys to follow this series. Stick with me. Okay, guys. I'm going to stick with it, and I'm going to do it until it works. All right. So stick with me. Check the progress. I want you guys to see this see this going on live. Okay. And I don't have no secret accounts or anything like that. I got other accounts that I have from Clickbank that I use, and I promote different niches and stuff like that. But this account I only specifically made just for this challenge, just to kind of show you guys how this works and how just promoting one offer can take us to the next level. All right. I'm going to see you guys here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.